In this video, I will show you how to use Claude connectors to connect Claude with apps like Gmail, Google Drive, Notion, and many more. So let's get started. First, open Claude in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left sidebar and click Customize. In the Customize menu, select Connectors. At the top of the Connectors page, click the plus icon, then choose Browse Connectors. You'll now see all the services that Claude can connect to. Scroll through the list to explore the available options. For this tutorial, we'll connect Gmail. Click the plus icon next to Gmail, then click Continue. Claude will ask for permission to access your Gmail account. Review the requested permissions, select the ones you're comfortable with, or click Select All if you want to allow everything. After that, click Continue to finish connecting your Gmail account. Once the connection is complete, Gmail will appear in your list of connected services. By default, Claude can safely perform read-only tasks, such as searching your inbox and summarizing email conversations. If Claude needs to perform actions like creating a draft email, it will ask for your approval before making any changes. Now let's test the connector. Return to the main Claude page by clicking New Chat. In the chat box, type a prompt asking Claude to review your inbox and identify any important emails that need your attention. Press Enter and wait while Claude analyzes your inbox. Instead of listing every email, Claude highlights the messages that appear to be the most important and explains why they need your attention. Next, ask Claude to draft a reply to one of those emails. Claude will generate the response and automatically save it as a draft in your Gmail account. Open Gmail in a new tab to confirm that the draft has been created. You can edit the draft if needed and send it whenever you're ready. And that's how you can connect Gmail and other apps to Claude using the built-in Connectors feature. You can follow the same process to connect other supported apps such as Google Drive, Google Calendar, Notion, Slack, and more, depending on what's available in your account. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.